In this video, we will cover the replacement of the Stenner variable cam. Remove the pump head by turning it clockwise 1/4 turn. Remove the feed rate control by turning it clockwise 1/4 turn. Next thing, we'll remove the cover screws. Remove the cover plate and set aside. Remove the ring and disconnect from the variable cam. You can remove the old variable cam. Take out the spider and lifter assembly and remove the index plate. Next step, you should fully clean the assembly, remove all the old grease and dirt, and then we'll begin the procedure for reinstalling the variable cam. Notice the angled tip. You'll insert the angled tip into the very first section of the track and take the ring, find the large hole on the inside, and locate that onto the 90 degree angle on the variable cam. Now, this is the tricky part. We're going to have to try to align the variable cam on the inside of the ring and the ring should be flush with the lower part of the housing. The next step is to drive the variable cam into its track. Take your index finger and hold the end of the variable cam while turning the lower section, and it should drive the variable cam all the way around into the track, leaving a small gap at the end. Next, align the arrow on the housing with the L on the ring. Reinstall your index plate. Reinstall the spider with lifter, locating the lifter into the gap right at the end of the variable cam. Reinstall the cover plate. Notice the arrow on the cover plate, and that arrow will align with the arrow on the housing and the L. Align it so that the holes are in the same position as the holes in the housing assembly. Reinstall the screws, being careful not to over tighten. Now install the feed rate control onto the motor subassembly by aligning the 3 pins, and then give it a 1/4 turn counterclockwise until the arrow aligns with the top of the motor subassembly. Do the same with the pump head. Align the 3 pins and give it a 1/4 turn counterclockwise until it's in place. The next, we'll want to check our work and make sure everything's functioning properly. Adjust the feed rate control through its complete range and make sure it's working properly. And this completes the installation of the Stenner pump variable cam assembly.